Hey guys, welcome to the 5th video on how to create a Java, or I'm sorry, that was an epic fail. How to create a calculator in Java. Alright, so last video we added the 3J buttons, of course. And we obviously made them work and everything. I did run into a problem last video that I did jump cut. The thing is, I used a JText field instead of a JText area, and the only difference is because JText area can use the append method. That's the only reason how I knew I did that wrong, so I had to jump cut, and I provided code down in the description of the video, so if you want to check that out. And all I did was basically I removed the 0 that was in the parentheses, and I renamed JText field to JText area, and I also had to do a set text here. I think what we're going to end up doing is making the 0 go on this side, and when you click a plus sign, it'll show also inside of the display area here. So when you push equal, it gives you your little the answer. So I think that's what we're going to end up doing. Yeah, so I'm gonna go ahead and just remove that bit of code. And actually, because we already did that, we can go ahead and remove the set text part here, and then we can go ahead and re-add the 0 here, like that. Alright, so yeah, I think that's exactly what we're going to do, but for now we're going to have to worry about adding the rest of the J buttons here. So this is probably just going to be another tedious video. I think I just said that wrong. I'm going to go ahead and add stars here real quick. I think my keyboard's broken. I might need to get a new keyboard soon. Alright, so we're going to open up the Microsoft calculator and see. We need to do a 4, 5, and 6 now. So I'll just go ahead and add them right here. Make that in order here. So 4, private J button, 5, and then we have private J button, 6. Now, also, I've been thinking, I have said before that that this series to make the calculator requires you to have a bit of knowledge in JFrame and etc. I'll probably end up doing is making a like a series of how to learn Java and everything. So I think that'd be pretty fun to do. Alright, anyway, we're gonna add the 4 button now. So it's gonna do J button, of course, and it's gonna be 4. Add the 4. Add a space here. Alright, so for the set bounds, I always hate doing this part. Pretty sure the X is going to be 10 for the first one. Alright, the Y, how low it's going to go is 70 plus 6, so probably about 135 down. And of course the width, the buttons have got to be about equal size here. So we're going to save that and rerun it. I think that's a little too much space there. It's going to make that a 0. That's too little space. How about that too? Alright, so yeah, that's perfect. So we have the 4 now. And we're going to do the 5 is equal to J button. Feel free to skip this part of the video if you really wish to. You're not here to be bored, but you know we're going to do this step by step here. Let's see, the other buttons I added by 72, so I'm pretty sure this is going to have to be an 82. The Y, of course, is going to be constant, 65, 55, and I'm going to add the 5. So that's going to do 6 is equal to the new J button. 6 dot set bounds. Let's see, 154, 132, 65, 55, and then we're going to add the 6 to the application. Perfect. Alright, so those are added. We're going to go ahead and get the other 1, 2, and 3. So it's going to add those fields in. 1, J button, 2, and then 3. Alright. 1 is equal to new J button, 1. And of course, we're going to have to make that a capital. 1 dot set bounds. Obviously it's going to be 10. Let's see, what did we do last time? 7 to 132. We added 62. So 62 plus 132 is 194. So we're going to do 194, and it's going to be 65 and 55. We're going to add the 1. 2 is equal to new J button. 2. Didn't mean for those. 2 dot set bounds, and it's going to be 82. 194 stays the same because it's on the same row. 65, and then 55 for the size of the button, so those will always stay the same. And then of course we have to do the 3. 3 dot set bounds. 154, 194, 65, and then 55. And we're going to add the 3. Alright, let's see how this looks. Perfect. Looks great. And of course, we need to make them work. So I guess we could go ahead and do that, which won't take very long. So 1 dot add action listener. It's new action listener. Add the unimplemented methods. And then here we're going to, we could easily just copy and paste it like so. So we just go ahead and do that. So 1 and 1. 2 dot add action listener. Very tedious stuff, very boring as well, but you know, as long as the application comes together and works great, I see no room to complain. Right, we're going to change this to 3. And then of course we got to do 4. You know, I think typing all this out would be a very great way to get the kind of like muscle memory for typing everything, so maybe you get like more used to it, so it just comes more naturally. But nobody got time for that. Nope. We don't have any time for that. Alright. Alright, and the last one is 6, and then hopefully they all work. Add action listener. Add that, and then my keyboard. I should really invest in getting a new keyboard. Alright, we're going to go ahead and save all of that, and now we're going to run, and hopefully this all works. 1, 2, 3, 6, 9, boom, boom. Alright. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. Alright, works like a charm. Ooh. I have some hiccups there, huh? Alright, and I guess we can go ahead and do the copy, and obviously that works just fine. Alright, so there we go. We have the basic 1 through 9 buttons completely working. Next video, we'll go ahead and add more of the buttons and get those working, obviously. So yeah, hopefully there's no problems here so far. Looking pretty good. Almost 300 lines of code, which is kind of insane for something that's so simple, but you know. Anyway, hope to see you guys in video number 6. So yeah, see you then.